Hello guys, today we will learn how to use Notability. So basically Notability is a note-taking app available on iPad, Mac and iPhone. If you are in school or college, you can use this app to make some beautiful notes and also it is easy to use as compared to other note-taking apps like GoodNote or OneNote. You can download it from the App Store. I have been using this app for a long time. If you want to use basic features, you can get it for free. Otherwise, you can go for paid one to enjoy more features. On the left, you can see we have dividers. Under dividers, we have subjects, and under subjects, we can create notes. So now let's create a divider. By clicking on this plus button, we will get the option to add a divider, and after that, we can enter the name of the divider. Now by holding on this divider, we can create a divider or a subject under this divider. So here, as you can see, I have added a divider, and under the divider I have added a subject. So now we can create notes by clicking on this new button. So once you have created a note, the first thing you can do is you can rename the note. Here I am using the default template, but you can change the template by simply clicking on these three dots in the upper right corner. Go to template settings and choose whatever template you want, and here you can also change the spacing. So let's apply this, and even after using this template you can remove it, so your notes will look more cleaner. Now here in the upper middle you can see the different tools we have for notability. So let's explore them one by one. The first tool we have is a pencil. So if you want to handwrite your notes, you can use this tool. Here we can select different thicknesses and different colors, and we can also create our custom colors. And here we also have one more option, that is pressure sensitivity. So it we will choose this option. It will work more like a fountain pen. After this we have a sketch pen, and here we also have the same option as a pencil except for pressure sensitivity. So this we can use to color or fill any shape like this. Now we can select a sketch pen and like color it like this. After that we have a highlighter option. So here we also have the thickness option, and this we can use to highlight some important points or topics we have made in our note. And we can also change the color like pencil and sketch pen. And after this we have an eraser. Here we have thicknesses option, and we have whole and partial options. So let me make you clear what this whole and partial means. So suppose that you have written a word, and you want to erase the whole word. So in that case, you can use the full option. And suppose you want to delete a single letter of that word, then you can use this partial option like this. Now, if you don't want to handwrite your notes but just want to type, you can select this tool, this text tool. After selecting this tool, you will see that keyboard will appear on our screen, and below the keyboard, we have different options for fonts, sizes, and paragraphs, so you can change accordingly. Like I am changing the size to 10. So this is how it works. After this text tool, we have selection tool. So here we have two options, freeform and box. So either we can freeform or select in the form of square. Like now I can copy, paste, duplicate and style the selection. Suppose I want to change the color of the border of this triangle. So let's suppose do it to blue. So now you can see our color has changed to blue. After this we have image tool. So if you want to add any image to your notes, you can use this tool, and after that you can modify that image. So you can easily edit this image, and if there are some text present on this image, you can simply extract it by clicking on this option convert to ink. So suppose I want to make the corner of this image rounded. So what I can do is I can click on format, and I will choose round corners. Now you can see our corners are rounded. Another feature we have is this recording feature. So basically it tracks our notes as the audio progresses. Let's suppose I'm writing sample notes. Now I can replay the this audio, and it will go on as our note progresses. So basically it tracks our notes as the audio progresses. Let's suppose I'm writing sample notes. After this, we have the read mode tool. So when you select this tool, you can't make any edits. You can only explore your notes. Just like you can scroll up and down. And here we can see we have a ruler at the end. So this you can use to draw a line over whatever angle you want. So we can say that it can work as both a ruler and a protector. Suppose that you want to draw the line at any angle. this 30 degree. So what I can now, you can select pencil, and simply you can do this, and you can see our line is straight now. Now this. So now that we have explored all the tools of Notability, let's jump to the extra features we have here. So if you want to add a text box, you can select this text tool and simply hold on to the screen anywhere, and you can select text box. Let's write something. And the best thing about this text box is that you can move or design this text box. Let's move. And we can also design it. I want to make the background red. I want to make the corners round. So this is how it works. After this, we have another feature that we can add sticky notes. So we can select this image tool, and here we can choose this sticky note option. And here we can write, and this will be pasted on our notes. Now, if you want to draw shapes in the proper form, you can draw from the pencil and just hold your pencil at the end. It will automatically create the shape. So see how it works. Suppose I want to draw a circle. Suppose I want to draw a pentagon. So this is how this works. Another feature I love is that we can do multitasking here, like making multiple notes at the same time. For this, on left you can swipe to the right and your notes will appear on the screen. And here you can select any note and hold on that. And you can open on right, or you want to split it vertically, you can open on bottom. So, and here we can also resize this. And the last feature, I want to tell is that you can move this tool menu from the top to anywhere, like this. So I prefer to keep it on the left. And now if you are done with your notes, you can share them through email, generate a link, or save them to local or online storage from here. We have quick share options and we have share options. And basically it shares in form of PDF. So hopefully this was a nice introduction to Notability. If you guys have any other question about Notability, feel free to ask in the comment box, and you can also mention if there is something missing in this video. So bye guys, I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe to stay updated.